Good morning, students. Welcome to online political science class today. Before starting anything, let me tell you some stories. Okay? बहुत दिनों से आपने स्टोरी नहीं सुना होगा, बहुत दिनों से कहानियां नहीं सुनी होगी. So let's begin with some stories. Okay? So there is a story of a person called Janardhan. Okay? Janardhan was one person who is working in a multinational type of companies. Okay, he works late night, and the way he works, he has to receive calls, he has to do business by taking phone calls. Okay, through phone calls he has to take the business, the whatever type of production or selling that has to be done. Okay, that type of thing. So he has to take all this the type of business he does. And this person Janardhan, he is when he enters into the company, his own company where he is working, he becomes John. From Janardhan, his name suddenly changes to John. He becomes a very stylish man. He just goes, he does his work the whole day, the whole night. Okay, he has to spend in the phone calls. Okay, actually he does the work in night. He has to do, because his customers who belong to the different parts of the country, that they are talking to this person from that area, and they are talking in the daytime, so he has to work in a night time. Okay, so obviously he is working in a multinational company. Okay, he is working and doing his business deal and all these things in a through a phone calls. Okay, this is a story of Janardhan. Okay, from Janardhan to John, stylish man. Okay, he is working in a big company. Wow, MNC, big company. Then there is a story of Ramdari, one person called Ramdari. Ramdari has to buy a gift for his small daughter. The daughter is celebrating her birthday, and then he has to buy a gift. So he buys the gift, okay, from a shopping mall, and very different type of gift he buys. He also buys a Barbie doll. For his daughter, and they celebrate the birthday. Okay, by the father gifting a Barbie doll to the daughter. So the Barbie doll gifting of the Barbie doll is an US based production. Okay, it is a bit type of multinational companies. So Ramdhari and his gifting of the Barbie doll to daughter. Okay, another story. Then other person, Shakira. Okay, so this girl, she does so many types of things she learns in her life. Okay, she becomes well educated, and after passing so many exams and everything and her degrees, she wants to go for a job, high level job. Okay, she wants to go outside and do a job in the companies also, or multinational companies maybe. Okay, but her parents are not allowing her to go, just because as always girls are not allowed to go much. Okay, in the outer place, behind their home. So they are like father and family, and the father and daughter, they are quarreling about, like, she wants to go and they don't want her to go, because she has seen so many things outside, she has learned so many things about the world. Now she wants to go and do her job. Okay, so these stories have some relations to our topic. और थोड़ा सा स्टोरी सुनो आप. Next thing, many farmers has died because they have bought seeds from multinational companies. They are a bit highly priced seeds that they have bought from multinational companies, and suddenly their crops failed. Okay, because of maybe monsoon नहीं हुआ या बारिश कुछ भी कारण, तो crops failed. Okay, it didn't brought any production. So many farmers, they spent lots of money and they could not return that money, and they suicided. Okay, then a shopping mall comparable to a small shop. Okay, many people now goes and they do the retail shopping outside. Okay, multinational so many companies they who are launching so many टाइप ऑफ रिटेल शॉपिंग एंड ऑल दिस सिस्टम रिटेल शॉपिंग सिस्टम मॉल में हम जो जाते हैं और देखते हैं नाउ many shopkeepers who are doing their businesses with a small shop they are now in fear that their products may not be sold because people may not go to a small shop but they may go to a big mall. Okay, everything is changing, people are developing. Okay, then there is a story of suppose in a country girls are wearing jeans, no doubt many of the people they are seeing TV, they are seeing YouTube, they are seeing Facebook, so many things they are seeing. Okay, today, and because of these things they became so much active and they are stylish, they are becoming stylish in the dress and everything. So girls when wear a dress in some orthodox type of countries they are not allowed to do this. Okay, so because some of the organizations may be there who are not allowing girls to wear top and jeans, this is not in their custom. Okay, in this way जो भी story मैंने अभी बोला आपको, okay, in this way so many stories are there in our society, in our state, in our country or in the other countries which is related to our topic today. So students, we are doing globalization. Okay, so globalization क्या चीज है? What is globalization? What is the process of globalization? Today मैं बहुत टाइम सोचती हूँ और मैंने बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को बोला भी ये बात, कहीं कहीं पे बोला मैंने, you put the globe in your table, you put the globe in your table, the world is around you. You hold a mobile in your hand and you just do surfing, net surfing. The whole world is in your hand. So globalization, globalization and globalization. We are today living in the era of globalization. We are now interconnected with the world. Today no country can remain alone, isolated. Every country needs the help of another country for something or the other reason. So we are interconnected. The process of globalization starts from that one. So students, our topic of today of discussion is what? Let's see. The chapter is globalization and the topic is the concept of globalization. Now what is globalization? Globalization means integrated economy of one state with other states. तो यहाँ पे जो states है इसको हम लोग countries भी बोलते हैं. In political science we just term the state as countries also. So integrated economy of one state with the other state. Okay, so the economy of one country is interlinked with the economy of the other state. How? Suppose in India we don't have petroleum. We don't have enough petroleum. Petroleum है but इतना नहीं है हमें. Sufficient, not sufficient for us to run all the vehicles in whole over of India. So what we do? We take petroleum from where? We take petroleum from Middle East countries. Okay, we take petroleum from Middle East countries and we are connected with Middle East countries. Okay, now many of the countries from outside they come into India and they take or they want to take rice from us. Okay, because in India heavy type of rice production is done in India. So rice production which is done in India can be exported from India to outside. Okay, or India can import many things from outside to India. So students, when we don't have one thing in one country, not sufficient, then we just search the other market in another country and we go and do some types of business. So with this concept of business category, this concept of globalization came into being. धीरे धीरे जाके ना वो different area में घुसा globalization. Okay, but first of all it started with economic area. Okay, now students, integrated economy of one state with other states. Okay, joining of or integration or interlinking of one state with the other state. Now the concept of globalization also has a relationship with what? Interconnected. Okay. Interconnected with the world. The concept of globalization has also a link with the concept called interconnected with the world. So how do we are interconnected? Okay, how do we are interconnected? Now see here, the globalization process basically believes in flows. Okay, it believes in flows. तो ये फ्लो क्या है? ये फ्लो क्या है? There are capital flow, labor flow and trade flow. Basically ये थ्री फ्लो के बारे में बोला गया है. So capital is flowing from one country to another. Okay, suppose I want to go to America. So when I go to America, I cannot just run my way of living and going from one place to another in America with Indian rupees. So I have to transform my Indian rupee into dollar. Okay, or in different country, whenever different country has different currency. So when we are doing business and doing interlinking something or the other, or we are going itself, then this currency is transforming from one area to other area, or from something or the other. So capital flow of the capital flow which is going on from one country to the other country. Okay. Next one is labor flow. Many people in different parts of the world, they are going from one area to another in search of job. Okay, in search of job, many people they just go and first of all they study in other country, and then when after studying, when they like this country or like they are preferable to get a job, they get a job and they never return to the native countries. Okay, and then many types of laborers category, worker category of people are seen there, that they are going from one country to the other in search of jobs. Okay, countries which are like war-torn countries, countries which are going on through civil wars, then through some types of military wars, or internal types of conflicts in a particular country, then ethnic wars. If all these situations are there, or for natural calamities maybe also. Okay, then these many people, they are going from one area to another area in search of a job. So this may be considered as a labor flow. Okay. Next one is trade flow. Now trade flow you all can know, import export business जो हम करते हैं. Okay, doing import export business from one country to the other is known as trade flow. Then with this flow we can also add another two concept. That is, one is ideas and other one is people. Okay, now how does ideas are moving from one part of the world to the other part na? Anything, fashion, style, सब कुछ. You remember about the blue jeans? This is a type of fashion style, an idea to become very much stylish wearing a blue jeans. Okay, blue jeans is an American product, but different parts of the world people are using blue jeans that time. Okay, so in this way many things can be considered that which is happening in one part of the world but taken to the other part of the world. Okay, so some of the ideas, style, fashion, culture, okay, songs, films, so many things are being carried out from one area to the other area. So what are they thinking? People's thinking are just going on from one to the other. These are known as ideas which are flowing. Okay, if today we are fighting against the environmental problem. Okay, so this environmental problem, to stop damages to the environment of the world. This is also a type of ideas which is flowing from one part of the world to the other part. Everybody is concerned about environment. Okay, so ideas that is carrying something or the other, basic knowledge, basic types of ideas again, which is just rotating from one area to the other. Okay, and then people are also going from one area to the other. So in case of labor flow, we can just consider people, but people can also go for higher studies. People can also go just for living in other parts of the world. People can also just they can give their girls to marry to the other parts of the world with a boy. Okay, so this can also be, so many people just going, just simply they are going and just roaming to one part of the other, traveling from one part of the other to the other. Okay, so all these types of things can be considered as a part of globalization. So we can just think that globalization concept comes to the conclusion that world is a global village where there is economic and social interaction. Global village, world is considered as a global village where there is economic and social interaction among the people of the world. ओके, सो हम एक पूरा दुनिया में रहते हैं, वो दुनिया हमारे लिए एक गांव है, पूरा एक बड़ा सा गांव, जहाँ पे ऑल दी इकोनॉमिक ट्रांजेक्शन, ऑल दी इंटरलिंकिंग जो होता है, या फिर जो सोशल इंटरलिंकिंग होता है थ्रू फिल्म्स, थ्रू आइडियाज, थ्रू स्टाइल, थ्रू कल्चर, all these things are just flowing from one area to the other. ठीक है, तो ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये ऑल कॉन्सेप्ट हमें क्या दर्शाता है? दिस होल कॉन्सेप्ट इज ए पार्ट ऑफ ग्लोबलाइजेशन. सो ग्लोबलाइजेशन इज ए very that thing where we can say connectivity. Okay, connected from one part of the world to the other with वेरियस थिंग. जितना भी मैंने लिखा फ्लो के बारे में, सारा फ्लो को लेके हम चलते हैं, और जब सब कुछ मिलजुल के होता है, इंटीग्रेशन में होता है, दैट इज नोन एज ग्लोबलाइजेशन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस एरिया वी हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड अबाउट सम ऑफ द बेसिक idea or concept of globalization. Okay, now think about yourself. Just think what you do and you carry on your life that is a part of or a process of globalization. Okay, so thank you students.